Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. This is your first time checking out my channel. Welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So I am working on my Tangled Poets Pickle Jar by a Scarf, and this is a recipe that came in the beautiful kit that I purchased. I am in the process of working it up, and I thought that you guys might want to come along and work on a whip while I work on mine. So, work on a whip with me. Let's get to working, okay?
Next level.
I am back. I have finished working up the first mini skein from my pickle jar kit, and this is what I have. I have a little bit of the yarn left at the top, and this is what I had when I did my cast on. So it is beautiful. I do like the way it's working up. It has eyelets on one portion, and I love it. Okay. So, yes, this is great. I love it. Now, if you guys haven't checked out Pricilla, my Yarny bestie over at Distinctively Handcrafted, please go and check her out. She's actually doing a video every day in April, a shorts version, and you can see her beautiful bias scarf that she is working on. It is coming out really, really great. Now, while I may not be able to show you my progress every single day, I will do what I can to show you updates on it as I'm working on it and other things that I am coming up with as well. This is very, very exciting. Again, this is from the Tangle Poets Yarn, and I purchased it from Aberdeen Wool, and it is a beautiful kit. Now, you can purchase it as a kit, or you can purchase the refills for the kit. And the refills do come in different sizes. So there's a smaller size and a larger size that you can consider purchasing. All right. I am not sure that the refills come with all of the same materials as in the kit. All right. I think you just get the yarn, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. And this has all been hand dyed. And each lot for the pickle jars is done at every when you order it. Okay, so you do have to wait a while for them, I think, to get enough orders in order to go ahead and do a lot of the pickle jars. But you know what? A lot of us have been purchasing them lately, and I think that that may shorten the time interval in which it would take for you to get yours. But you know what? You don't have to use this. You can use any yarn of your choosing and just decide to make a beautiful project, okay? So, yes, I love mine, and I hope you guys do too, all right? So, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for working on a whip with me, and I'd like to go ahead and take a look at the last puzzle, the video that included a puzzle. Here is the solution for that one, and this is what I came up with, and this is a puzzle for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me very kind comments. Thank you for all your prayers, your well wishes. It really means so much. And I want to let you guys know that I am also sending prayers out for each and every one of you for continued inspiration, for good health, for all good things. So that's all I have for today. To each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. Be inspired, be inspiring, share your gifts, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video or one of yours. Bye-bye now. If you found yourself inspired, don't forget to like this video, leave a kind comment, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video or one of yours. Take care now. Bye-bye.